Good morning, children. This is the work packs for Friday the 19th of June. Before we start, I'd like to go through some of the work evidence that I'd like to see from this week. In English, on the Monday you had to write your own poem. I've got a few of them in. It'd be nice to receive some more. The other part of the English is the Sinbad illustration writing, which is completed on Thursday. Okay, and for maths, any mental maths that you've done any day this week, that'd be fantastic. And some of the work on negative numbers, which will be given out on Thursday and Friday. So that'd be really good to receive that. For geography, some of the questions and answers on American states to show me that you've understood the questions well and read the information. That'd be fantastic. And in science, show me what you know about balanced diet and the food pyramid. That would be brilliant. So as I said, I've received quite a few, so it'd be nice to see the others. Okay, let's get on with the English activities for Friday the 19th of June. This is where we got our spelling test. For the suffix OUS with no definite root word, and then we've got some reading skills on the Firework Maker's Daughter, the last part of chapter 3, and then we're going to do some more poetry. So if we scroll down, these words, last chance to see them, and they'll be written out on your sheet. Okay, so we got quite a few pages to finish off chapter 3 and the Firework Maker's Daughter. Read it through as many times as you can. Remember where we finished off, and then you've got some questions here and finding out some words or phrases. Okay, so we're going to read and learn a poem, discuss the vocabulary of words and their meanings, learn a poem I'm telling you off by heart, and show consistency and quality in your handwriting. So this is the poem you're going to read. It's like an insult poem. Okay, and then the vocabulary for fill-ins. If you read it, underline any words that you're not too sure of, try and find out what they mean. I'm telling you. Nice poem there. And then top tips for learning off by heart to read your poem. So when we go back to the instructions, so you read the poem, you read it in your head and then out loud. What did you like about the poem? Did it remind you of anything else that you've read or seen? Which is your favourite line? Why is it called an insult poem? And then with the vocabulary for villains poem, underline unusual vocabulary. Choose 5 words that you think are the most interesting or which you are least sure about. Find out their meanings from a dictionary. Or you could use this words website to find out what they mean instead of using the dictionary. You can write some sentences that use these words of the 5 words that you choose, and then learn a poem off by heart. Read I'm telling you, and then practice learn off by heart. You could use top tips. So I'm telling you is the poem that you got to recite, and maybe you can write it out. As wise as an owl, I'm as cunning as a cat, you're as slimy as a snail, you're as dirty as a rat. So you can see in each verse the first 2 lines are complimentary about yourself, and the next 2 are insults towards someone else. Okay, hope you do well. Good luck.